All right, the committee answering your questions. John in Illinois writing, I'm looking to add healthcare to my portfolio. Would you recommend Biogen or Zimmer? All right, Shannon, you're up first. You own Stryker.
So, John, the answer to your question is I would recommend devices, but rather than Zimmer, I would recommend Stryker. They're able to continue to grow their share and scale in this market. They've outperformed both Zimmer and Smith and Nephew for 2021, and I expect that to continue. Zimmer could get a little bit more ambitious on pricing, but I still think Stryker and the medical device space in general is a good pick here.
I mean, you own United Health, too. Not that it's in the device space, obviously, but it's at an all-time high today, and it's up huge this year.
Both reopening trades, Scott. Healthcare as reopening has really not been talked a lot about on this show, but both are reopening trades and could continue as procedure volumes increase.
All right, Joe?
Well, Scott, we own AbbVie and Thermo Fisher in Joe T. It's playing to the theme Biogen and Zimmer. You're really catching a falling knife, and you're not buying a quality balance sheet. I would suggest that you want to ultimately buy these stocks when they give you multiple quarters where the revenue and earnings begins to reverse itself, and it hasn't. It doesn't mean that I don't like healthcare equipment makers. I don't like the pharmaceuticals. I don't like the biotech in large cap, but I think there's better places to go, and I want to identify where the confidence is. You know, I like to do that: buy high, sell higher. AbbVie and Thermo Fisher are the two places you could find that opportunity.
I read that somewhere that you like to do that. I can't remember where that was. Dr. J, do you like the space?
Yeah, I do, Scott. I am very underexposed to the space right now. So I'm hoping that some folks may make some of these entries for me a little cheaper before year end, Scott. But if not, I think I will be accumulating some of these. Merck's one that I've owned, and it made a nice pop, and I took profits. But I'm looking at Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer. Also, Biogen IDEC is also one I always keep my eye on, Scott.
Weiss, you like anything in this space?
You know, it may surprise you, but I like Moderna, and they're going to be coming out with flu data soon. And I think we can see at this point that you're going to need a booster shot for COVID going forward, and their quadrivalent shot's going to be phenomenal.
But that's the only one you like?
As soon as the pandemic ends.
I mean, it's like a broken record. It's like a broken record. You got anything else?
It is, but it's a broken record, but that tune is still so sweet, Scott. Yes, I'm looking at Biogen. Look, the stock's gotten beaten up with all the controversy around the Alzheimer drug, and I think it obfuscates what's actually going on with the company. It's quality management. They brought in a new CFO about a year ago who is phenomenal, tremendous experience creating shareholder value. So I'm doing work on Biogen.